Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix photo capture file creation failed camera error. First method is, click Start Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Click Change where new content is saved. Go to New Photos and Videos will save to change other drive. Click Apply. If same error still exists, second method is, right-click Start button, click Run. Type %Appdata %. Click OK. Open Microsoft folder. Open Libraries folder. Right-click Camera Roll. Click Properties. Click Add. Create any folder under any drive. Click Include Folder. Select Newly Added Folder. Click Set Save Location. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.